What's going on, everyone? Today we're doing a teardown on the NUU Mobile N21. If you have one of these and you're trying to do a screen replacement or fix something else on your phone and you want to take it apart, I'll show you how to do that. Just a reminder, when you do take a phone apart, you could damage it more than what the portion you're trying to fix, so just keep that in mind, so that way you don't mess anything up too much in the process. Otherwise, if you don't feel comfortable with it, just ask a professional to do it for you. If you haven't yet, subscribe. We have a ton more of these teardowns and hard resets coming up, so if you want to see something special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you. Otherwise, let's kind of get into this. At the bottom right here, you see a little notch right there. That's how you lift the back cover off the phone. So I'm going to put your nail in there and just kind of lift up. And there you go. There's the back covers off. So we'll set that to the side. Next, we got to pull the battery. So we'll pull the battery off of that. There we go. And there's the battery. We'll set that to the side. Now we get to pull out our handy dandy screwdriver and get to it. So we'll start getting all the screws out first. All right, those last two screws we'll get out when we're pulling off this bottom piece. But let's double check, make sure I got all the screws. I have a habit of missing one or two. You'll know when you're trying to pull up that you have something else missing. And but let's get into the rest of this. So we want to take off the camera lens. We want to take off this bottom speaker portion as well. So to do the camera lens, I'm going to take my pry tool. This is the one that I use. You can use a plastic one or whichever one you feel fits you better. This is what I like, so that's what I use. Really no wrong tool you could realistically use. I mean, well, there is, but within reason, So you want to kind of get in right in between the mid-frame and just kind of pry up a little bit. And just, if it feels like it's getting stuck, you can start kind of using your hands once you get a little bit closer. Let's just unpop right here. Oh, see, I did miss a screw. I was wondering why it was so hard to do that. Alright, so now that we get the screw off, it comes right off as soon as I get the screw off. Look at that. See? Don't try pulling it too hard. If it feels like it's getting stuck, then just wait a second. So you got your motherboard and all the other connections. We'll worry about that in a second. Let's worry about this bottom portion. So I want to get under one of these corners and lift gently because sometimes they have stuff wired in here. And I can't remember if they do on this one or not. Nope, not even in the picture, so that's good. Well, apparently not, because I just flew right off. I don't know where that went. We'll find that later. But that was the loudspeaker. It came right off. So we have your vibration motor right there. Your speaker is down here as well. And it looks like it's soldered into this portion right here. I'm assuming there's a ribbon that runs underneath this cover that you could take off and then get to there. But let's take off the motherboard. There's usually a screw or two in there, and there is. I see two of them. Let's get those out real quick. Alright, so let's undo these connections. It's probably better to use a plastic tool for this portion, but I'm just kind of sticking with how I do it every time. So there we go. We got the volume flex disconnected, we got the main flex disconnected. Let's see if there's anything else. Camera stays, all that stays. We have our coax over here we can kind of unplug. And then find a good spot and just give it a little pry and see how it comes off. If it feels like it's stuck, don't pull on it. Just see if there's another screw that you missed or something's connected somewhere. But there's the motherboard. It's off. And then we have our cameras over here. So it looks like we have our front camera. We can disconnect that. And it's just a little bit of tape. You can just pull that right off. There's your front camera. This looks like your charging port. I don't know why they have it like that. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's just your proximity sensor right there. It looked like it was connected to the charging port. There's a charging port right there. That's soldered on. You're not going to be able to replace that unless you have some soldering skills. And we have our rear camera right here, so we'll disconnect that. Maybe. And there we go. There's your rear camera. We'll set that to the side. And there's your finished board. We'll set that to the side. So then what we have left is our ear speaker and our power volume button flex. So let's get the ear speaker out first. You got some tape on it to hold it down, it looks like. Can remove that real quick. Actually, I'll use this over here. Look at that. I just pull the tape and it comes right off. There you go. There's your ear speaker, if that's the part you're replacing. You just put the new one back in and start putting everything else back in. And then for the volume flex, you want to just find a good spot to get underneath and just kind of pry up gently. Don't want to rip it. Sometimes the tape is a little bit on there, or the glue is a little bit harder than what you think. But there's your power volume flex. Now you have the whole screen frame and you're done, unless you're going to replace this, but this will have to pull off the sticker and get to this portion right here, but this will just come right out. I'm just not going to bother in this case because I'm going to use this whole screen to fix a customer's phone, but that is how we do a teardown on a NUU Mobile N21. If you guys have any questions or want to see anything special, just drop a comment. We'll try to get that up for you sooner than later. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.